Hello busy professionals and entrepreneurs. My name is Alisa Bloco. I'm a personal branding strategist on LinkedIn, and in today's video I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the options, the ways that you can earn money on LinkedIn. So since my clients are service-oriented professionals, coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs of any type that they are providing services to their clients, there could be lawyers, marketing experts, IT experts, financial brokers, sales professionals, doesn't really matter. But what really matters is that they can produce results. They can gain their clientele from LinkedIn, basically. So this is the way that they can earn money. So how they can do it? So the first thing is to improve their credibility and to improve their visibility. The way that they will do that is by having their strong online presence, and especially strong presence on LinkedIn. So why LinkedIn? Because it's the #1 social media platform for businesses. It's the largest networking event that basically works 24/7, and it works globally. And the reach is really amazing, and it's about the organic reach to your targeted audience. So #1 that you can do in order to produce results on LinkedIn, to generate leads and to gain clients, is first to have an all-star LinkedIn profile, and then to work on gaining the credibility on LinkedIn, which is basically sharing your testimonials and recommendations there, and showing up frequently and having the consistency in that. So that would basically mean that you would start creating content. Doesn't really matter what type of content, whether it's the text post, it's a video, it's an article, the type of content that you feel comfortable producing, and you need consistency in that. So basically this type of content is producing leads for you, and you're not paying for that. The only thing that you will invest there is your time, and you are at the same time positioning yourself as a thought leader in your industry. So all this works for you. And this is one of the ways that I'm generating my leads. For example, one of my posts lately had more than 40,000 views. So can you imagine? I didn't pay for that. And now not all the people who saw my post will be my clients or are my perfect potential clients, my perfect prospects. But the reach is really amazing, and it is the organic reach, and really indeed you have inquiries after that, since at the end of my post there was a call to action. The call to action was to schedule a free introductory call with me. So you keep the ball rolling, and eventually you get clients from it. So this is one of the ways that you can earn money. Now the second way, if you're not a consultant or coach, you could be a virtual assistant. You could be helping consultants and coaches. There is a very high need for that nowadays. So in order to be a virtual assistant, you don't really need to be good at everything, but you need to be good at one thing. Whether it's appointment setting, it's content creation, whether it's SEO improvement of their content, or anything else. But you need to be good at it, and even if you're not that much good at it, you can get better and better. So there are a lot of people who are willing to pay for this kind of service. And the third way to make money on LinkedIn is by providing the service of lead generation. Anyone who ever has any type of business needs leads, needs clientele. So if you are good at appointment setting, if you are good at outreach, cold outreach by messaging targeted audience and producing results from it, then you got it. You'll be able to earn money on LinkedIn. So in this video I've shared 3 ways for 3 types of people to earn money on LinkedIn: consultants, coaches, entrepreneurs, any type of service-oriented professionals, virtual assistants, and lead generators. I hope this video has brought value to you, and if you would like to get notified about my other videos, please hit that bell button below and subscribe to my channel in order to get notified as well about the future videos. And please, if this video has brought any value to you, comment below, and if you have any questions, also comment below. And thank you very much for your attention. Till the next video.